What's up guys, F Eddie's here. What's going on? Today on this beautiful Sunday, we'll be changing the differential fluid on a 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We will need 2 quarts of 75 W140 for this Jeep. Tools of the trade today are a 13mm socket, a ratchet, a utility knife, RTV sealant, carb cleaner, hammer and a flathead screwdriver, and of course an oil pan. Alright guys, so for this Jeep, there is no drain plug, unfortunately, so we're just going to have to remove the differential cover. We're going to start by removing the 13mm bolts. For this specific Jeep, there's 10. In some applications, there's 12. I used an impact gun for the bottom ones, just so it's a little bit faster. Then at the top, we're in tight quarters, so we'll use a ratchet. Then after that, we're gonna go ahead and get our flathead screwdriver and a hammer. We're gonna pry the cover off and let that baby drain. After that, we'll get some carb cleaner, put it on a rag, and clean the mating surfaces on the diff. Alright guys, next up we're gonna clean the differential cover. Go ahead and get your utility knife and scrape off the old gasket. We're gonna use carb cleaner as well to get old differential fluid out of there. Use a rag or some paper towel and wipe it off. The surface should be clean to the touch. Next, after that, let's go ahead and apply our RTV sealant. Make sure it gets all around the holes, the whole diameter. Make sure there's no gaps, and we should be good to go. We're gonna take our diff cover now and we're gonna put it back on and install it. We'll go ahead and throw back our 13mm bolts and torque them correctly. Alright guys, so now next step, after we tighten up the bolts, we're gonna let it sit and dry. Now we're gonna remove the fill plug and then we're gonna fill it with 75 W140. We're gonna keep filling it until the fluid drips out of the hole. Then quickly install the fill plug. After that, check for leaks. We should be good to go. This process should be similar for the WK Jeep models for 2005 to 2010. Thanks for tuning in guys. Please subscribe, hit the ding-a-ling for notifications, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace!